Hi guys, welcome back to our kitchen. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Claudia and I invite you to hit that subscribe button so you too can be part of our family. Today I'm going to share with you how I make my favorite sweet and sour chicken. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so we're going to begin by prepping our chicken. Here I have 2 pounds of chicken breast and we're just going to cut them into 3 strips. Okay, so now we're going to grab one of our strips and we're going to cut them into about 1-inch thick pieces. Just like that. And now we're going to transfer into a bowl and repeat the same process to the rest of our chicken. Okay, so once we have our chicken breast cut into small pieces, we're going to season it with 1 teaspoon of white pepper, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and I'm also going to add half a teaspoon of salt. The salt is going to be optional since we're going to be adding soy sauce. So we're just going to add it to our chicken. And now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and start massaging the chicken. Okay, into our chicken we're also going to add 1 beaten egg. And just make sure that the egg is coated, or the chicken is coated with the egg. Okay, so now we're going to cover our chicken and allow it to marinate for 25 minutes. Okay, so after 25 minutes, we're going to coat our chicken. So we're just going to open it. And we're going to coat it with 6 tablespoons of cornstarch, 5 tablespoons of flour, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. So just mix it together and mix it in with your chicken. Okay, and once our chicken is nice and coated, now we are ready to begin cooking. Okay, so we're going to begin by making our sweet and sour sauce. In a small saucepan, we're going to add half a cup of pineapple juice, half a cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of ketchup, a 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, the juice of half a lemon, along with the zest, we're also going to add 1 garlic clove, or you can use half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a small piece of ginger, or you can use a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder. One teaspoon of paprika. Okay, so now we're going to turn on our heat to medium setting and we're going to whisk everything together. And of course, once you mix it, you can try it and see if you want to make it more sweeter or more sour. But for me, this is perfect, so we're just going to bring it to a simmer. Okay, and while we wait for our sauce to come to a simmer, we're going to mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of water. And this is just going to thicken up the sauce. So just mix it. And we're going to add it once it comes to a simmer. Okay, so once it begins to simmer, we're going to reduce the heat to the lowest setting. And now we're going to add our cornstarch. And we're going to keep mixing until our sauce thickens. Okay, so after 5 minutes, we have our sweet and sour, so it should look something like this. Of course, if you want it more thicker, then just allow it to continue simmering. So at this point, our sauce is ready, so now we're just going to set it to the side and cook our chicken. Okay, so to fry our chicken, we're going to grab our oil. We're going to set it on medium heat and allow it to heat up. Just make sure that you add enough oil to cover your chicken. Okay, so once the oil is hot, we're going to add our chicken. And just make sure that you don't overfry your chicken. Okay, so now we're going to fry our chicken for 3 minutes. Okay, so after 3 minutes, our chicken should be nice and golden. So we're going to remove it from the oil. Allow the oil to drain. We're going to continue repeating the process. Okay, so after 3 minutes, of course, just make sure that your chicken is fully cooked. As you can see, it's nice and juicy and it's crispy too. Alrighty guys, and once we have our chicken all nice and golden, now we are ready for the fun part. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, serving. Now of course, you can dip your chicken into the sweet and sour, but me personally, I don't like my chicken to get soggy, so I like to pour it on top, but of course, you serve it however you enjoy it. Okay, so I'm going to be serving it with white rice. And I'm using a pineapple as my plate. Just like that. Going to grab our chicken. One more. And now we're going to top it with our delicious sweet and sour sauce. And you add as much as you want. Okay, and I'm just going to garnish it with an orange wedge. And just like that, now we are ready to enjoy our delicious sweet and sour chicken. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super delicious. All of my kids enjoy it. And the best part is that it is super easy to make. So cheers and enjoy. Everything is seriously to perfection. The chicken is not dry, it's juicy, so flavorful. The sauce, sweet and sour, so good. And like I said, you serve it however you like to enjoy it. If you want to add bell peppers and onion, you do that. But this is just so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make my super easy and delicious sweet and sour chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you work with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.